Okay, now it is time to go and create this application or improve this application and make it a little more secure. Okay, so here we have in the documentation we have subprocess.run, and we can use a list here. Okay, and then we can separate each command by command. Okay, so not like these that we use all in one line. Okay, we can I use each command as an element of a list. It is more secure. So let's come right in here. Okay. Here you see we're using interface. Okay. Interface and also ifconfig and also interface and also down. All this stuff as one element. Okay. Now let's go and change it. Okay. We could change it to something like this. Let me remove this part. Okay, now I'm going to change it to a list, and I'm right in here. Okay, now it is changed to a list, but I have to change this to an element. Okay, so we don't need this plus icon here. Okay, that is it. And also this one, and also where was the other one? Okay, let's put it here and put it here, so later we can remove it. Okay, now or not like this, let me change it in another way. Okay, how can I select multiple line? Okay, I keep or I press alt key and then I click here and then click here. Now I get this one. Okay, now I have it. And again here. Okay. Now, very good. Now it's better to remove this part again from here and also from here. Okay. So use a camera here and also from here. Right in here. Okay, where is the other one? That is here. Okay. Okay, perfect. Now let me save it. Okay, I think there is no more thing. Okay, let's go and use a clear command here and re-execute the program. Okay, we have an error here. What is that? I think I haven't used a comma here on which line? Line 6. That is here and here. Very good. Now save it again and go back here and hit enter. So what is the interface? It is ETH0 and the MAC address is going to be 001122 and 33 and 44. Again, let's go with 44. Hit enter. This is MAC changer. Okay, with no such file or directory if config. Why is this file not found? What does that mean? Okay, MAC changer line 7 in module. Okay, if config interface down. Okay, we have a lot of space here. Let me go and fix this. Okay, let me remove these spaces from here, and also I think we don't need these spaces anymore. Okay, also here you see we have another thing. Okay, this both it is two command and I use them as one command. Maybe this is the problem. Okay, let's handle that as well. Okay, use a comma separator, separate them. Okay, now it looks good. Let's go and execute this again. Okay, here you learn how to handle some error Okay, ETH0. And what is the MAC address? It is 00, again 0011223344, and again 44. Hit enter. Now there is no problem, I think, and it is changed. Very good. Let's use ifconfig. Now it is changed to this thing. Okay, let's use clear, and this time let's hijack this. Okay, I'm going to give the ETH0. Okay, and then I'm going to use, for example, ls, and then hit enter. Which one? Okay, something, and hit enter. Now you see that error while getting interface flag, no such devices. Okay, now you see that it is checking this only as one command. It is not using this, okay, as a separate command. Now here you'll learn how to solve this hijacking problem. Very good. Let's go and see how can we improve this a little more.